Hi there, I'm Chef Chris Olson with Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. I'm here in my home kitchen to talk to you about our Queso Bravo Dip pop-up kits. Now you all just got the items for your Land O'Lakes Queso Bravo Dip pop-up. That's great. Now it's time to share that great cheese sauce with your customers and get some feedback. Start by heating up the Queso Bravo Dip to 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the pouch. This can be done in the steamer or in a hot water bath. Then, if you want to spice things up a bit, stir in some chorizo, pico de gallo, or roasted peppers. Then portion the sauce into portion cups, filling each with the Queso Bravo dip. Keep these hot until it's ready for service. Place 1 portion cup of Queso Bravo dip in the bag, as well as the tortilla chips and the card with the QR code printed on it. Remind your customers to use their smartphones to scan that QR code and follow the link to fill out the survey. By completing the survey, your customer will be entered in a drawing to win a great prize, and you'll get valuable feedback on what your customers thought about the Queso Bravo dip. After the surveys have been collected, Land O'Lakes will compile that data and share it with you. Don't forget to take lots of pictures and use the marketing material provided. And of course, have fun. Queso Bravo dip pop-ups are a great way to shake up meal service. If you want more inspirations, stop by LandO'LakesFoodService.com.